Rupture and repair create safety. As a field, we are so caught up in getting things right with our clients and our clients not being uncomfortable that sometimes we exchange comfort for the opportunity for growth. Did you know that research shows that an attuned caregiver is actually only attuned 30% of the time? This means that even in the best case scenario, the majority of the time relationship is actually a dance of navigating misattunement. When we are overly attached to the idea that a therapist must be attuned the majority of the time and things like emotional flooding should never happen, we actually miss one of the most important building blocks for creating safety in the therapeutic relationship. It is the act of having an interactive repair that strengthens emotional connection. In fact, it is the dance that occurs between the therapist and the child as they repair the ruptures and misattunement that strengthens their relationship and develops trust. Rupture and repair is actually necessary to create attachment. As I mentioned, emotional flooding is a part of relationship, and no play therapy model is immune to it occurring. This means that although we do our best to attune to our clients so that we can regulate the intensity in the playroom, sometimes misattunement is still going to happen. We are going to miss the cues. We are going to be distracted. Our own defense patterns will come into the session and prevent us from being able to connect to ourselves and to our clients. Sometimes the child will emotionally flood. Sometimes we will too. Misattunement provides the opportunity for rupture and repair, which creates safety in the relationship.